Welcome back. This weekend is Joplin's JoMo Pride Fest, and here to give us all the details, we have TJ Fisk and John Polito. Thank you for joining us this morning.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
I just have to say, I love how you guys are color coordinating this morning. That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We did try to work it out before. So.
A little bit.
Yeah.
So this is really a 3-day event this year, which is the biggest it's ever been. It starts off Friday evening with a social and then goes through just a slew of activities all weekend long. Let's, do you want to just start talking about Friday night?
Yeah, so Friday night's going to be our Pride Social. It's going to be at Blackthorn Pizza and Pub. Come out. We're just going to have a lot of just like board members, community members, just to kind of get to know each other. We're going to have our event calendar as well, so you can get some, good firsthand, to see what's going on. And then also we're going to get some raffles started. So get some raffles for some prizes, gift cards, all that good stuff. So yeah, and then Saturday is our big Pride Fest with Crystal Method from RuPaul's Drag Race. Also Saint the Creator from Dragular Burlesque Stars. So.
How hard was it to get Crystal Method to come down here?
You know what? We actually have been planning a year ahead, so we actually booked her last year. It was pretty, it was easy in a sense, but I mean, we had to do a lot of work to gain those relationships, but she's from Springfield, so I think she was pretty on board with it.
Yeah, that helps, yeah.
Totally.
So what else is going on Saturday?
We have, we have 2 drag shows. The march is actually going to start at 11 o'clock on Joplin Avenue in between 4th and 6th Street. We have Men's Choir of the Ozarks coming. We have Dream Theater. We have our 2 main drag shows. We have some drag story time with Susan B. Anthony, who's from Springfield as well. And then we have, a lot of other things going on, but that's till about 10 o'clock at night.
Okay.
And you'll be able to go see all sorts of other drag shows as well throughout town at, is that Whiskey Dick's? There's one at Blackthorn. That one's going to be free. Then you can also go to the locker room as well, I believe.
Yep.
Are the drag shows in the evening? Or?
They're at night.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be after.
So the daytime activities are on Joplin Avenue?
Yes.
Yes. And you'll have like a section of the street blocked off?
Oh yeah, and then we have about 60 vendors so far. And then Sunday actually is going to start off with our drag brunch at Chaos Brewery at 10:30, and then it's going to switch over to Landreth Park from 12 to about 7 o'clock at night with drag shows. We have a talent show, a pet costume contest, all kinds of fun
Kids
stuff.
talent contest.
Kids talent contest, yeah. So.
And it's an all day long Sunday event as well?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so I've heard you name off a lot of businesses, a lot of restaurants, bars and stuff. Obviously you guys, you've built a lot of relationships with these businesses. How important is it to have community support like this?
Community support is necessary in order to run any sort of 501c3 like we are. Like it is necessary to have the community involvement because that's how all of everything works for us. Yeah.
And I'm the sponsorship director, so I deal with a lot of like companies and people that have, we've built relationships over the years. And I think this year we actually saw a big turnout of just a lot of diversity, I want to say. So you've seen it grow, a lot over the last years, and it's very humbling to see that the community is behind us.
Well, and I mentioned this year it's a 3-day event. Last year was a 2-day event. Of course, we had the pandemic. You did an online
virtual
version of
virtual,
it.
Yeah.
Everything had to be virtual that year.
It was fun though. It was different to change it up and kind of try something different. But everyone was still involved. Everyone still was really interested in just seeing everything that we had to offer. It was like a Pride Fest, but virtually.
Yeah.
How many people do you expect to come out this weekend?
Oh God, so it's going to be our biggest one. So we're thinking about close to 3,000.
3,000?
Yeah.
We're really hoping to fill the streets.
Yes.
That's awesome. And you said like 60 vendors already?
Yep.
And I'm assuming some of those are food vendors?
Oh yeah, food vendors for the first time. We have so many people just selling crafts. We have nonprofits, for-profits, and then I think Sunday actually we have more vendors, so about 60 plus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where can people go to find like a schedule of events for everything if they want to check out?
You can actually
specific
find that
things?
on our Facebook page. We have it listed with all of our itinerary that we have going on.
And in fact, we'll make it even easier for you and have a link to your Facebook page from our website.
Awesome.
You can check in and check out this interview and watch all the details, catch it again.
Yes,
and
cool.
then you can go to the schedule from there. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Anything else I'm leaving out?
No, we're just really excited to invite everyone out. If you want to bring the family, pets, everyone's welcome, and we just encourage everyone to come out and just have fun with us and just have a good time.
It's gonna be a great weekend filled with a lot of activities, so make sure everyone comes out, sees everything that's going on. We've brought a lot of really great entertainers from all over the country, so
as well as our locals too.
Yeah,
And the
as well as
majority
our
of it is all
locals.
free.
Oh, everything
yeah.
is free.
Yeah, everything
we-
with Pride is free.
Yeah, we don't offer, or we don't make anyone pay for anything. That's why the fundraisers are so important throughout the year, because a lot of the community, you know, it's their input. So, yeah, everything's free to the community. So come out and have fun.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you too for coming on this morning.
Thank
Really
you very
appreciate
much.
it.
We appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Hope you have a great show, and the weather should be great for the weekend. We've got
Yes.
good temperatures, so we won't be sweating too much.
Hopefully, we'll see you out there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Have a great day.
Yes.
We'll be right back.